Who's gonna catch me first? Oh, one's down. Then the first thing you'll do is you're gonna open up the driver's side door. Next, you're gonna come down to the floor mat here. You'll see the footrest. Here's the emergency brake, and then you'll see there is a little car hood symbol. You're actually gonna pull on that. That's gonna release the initial hood release. You'll hear a pop. And we're gonna go around to the hood. So now to open this, you're gonna go to the center, just left of center. You're gonna put your hand in. You're gonna go about 1.5 inches in. Knuckles up, you're going to feel a little tab, you're going to push that to the right, lift up, the hydraulic should pull it up, and right here, here's that tab, so you're just going to slide that over, lift, and that will open up the hood. And now that we have the hood open, you're going to go to the left side here, and here's where your fuses are in the fuse box right here. There's 3 little locking tabs that are here to secure the cover. What you're going to do is, here it is, you're going to touch the top, slide down to that next lip, push in, and then you'll lift, and that will release the first one. And then you're going to do the same thing onto the back one. Now I've done 2, and then you're going to come over to the side, and that's the third one. You're going to remove your cover, place it in direction so that you can see the words, and then you're going to read through this, and I see the horn is right here for the relay. And then there's a 15 amp horn fuse here as well. So I'm going to turn this, I'm going to actually set this so you can see this angle is the same as the angle right here. And then I can come over here and I can test this. So then what you're going to do is you're going to start off by looking at that 15 amp fuse. So to remove that 15 amp fuse, you can use tweezers, a fuse puller. I'm going to use a needle nose pliers, just don't squeeze too tight. And then you're going to pull up steady, and then you'll remove that. With these fuses, typically you can tell just by looking, and I'm not sure if you can see, there's like a little loop, and you can tell if that loop has been burned out. Usually you can see a burn mark. You can see there's like a little loop going up there. You'll see a burn mark, or it'll be broken. So I can see this is good. If you're not sure if this is bad, there's actually another 15 amp fuse right here. You could just pull this fuse, put it over there, then test out your horn to see if that works. Then you're going to reinsert this, or a new one. So you're going to put it in place. And then you're just going to push that back in. So if you were having an issue and you put this one in, you weren't sure, you put that 15 amp fuse in, and then you test your horn. If that worked, then you're good. The next step, you may be having an issue with your horn relay. It was the second one down right here. So you can actually take this relay and you're just going to wiggle it. And it'll pop right out. And the nice thing about this is you can go into one of these other relays here too as well, and you can take one of these out. So this one right here is for a lamp, so I could pull this relay out. It's the same size relay. So you'll wiggle this out, and these haven't been removed, so pretty tight. And then you could put this relay, just slide it up, it's the same relay, put it in, and then now test your horn. So now I would have tested it with a working 15 amp fuse and a working relay and see if that works. If that's not your issue, then you'll have to check your wiring, or you may have a broken horn. Hopefully that helps. make sure if you did find your issue, if you do know it's a bad relay, you can order up a new relay or buy a new fuse and replace it. When you do reinstall your cover, you're going to push it on and make sure that you push above each lock to make sure each one has secured safely. Hopefully this helped you and helped fix your horn problem. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.